Chat GPT strikes again. Guys, we have found another way to make incredible progression with your life with this AI. Now, people have been asking it, what color are my shoes? What color are the sun? What's the alphabet? Stupid stuff like that they just want a generic answer for. We've been asking it things like, write a code for a website template. Now, if you actually ask it correctly like this, write code for a website template using HTML and CSS and then put whatever description you want, and then please put include images at the end, you will get a website code written on the PHP code designer. Now watch this. Watch what actually happens. This is incredible. People have been saying to me, it doesn't write code. It keeps saying I can't write code in my language. It's because they're not asking it. They're just saying, write me a website code. You need to ask for HTML, okay? CSS styles. That's what you need. And say include images like this. And guys, look at this. The whole code is writing. I can now build my own website by using this language model. This is ridiculously interesting. Guys, please keep following this channel because we're not here to ask you to tell ChatGPT what's the alphabet, what's 2 times 2, or just speak to it and have a friend. We're here to make you money, to find you ways to capitalize on this AI system. So please, before you finish this video, hit that like, hit that follow, and please subscribe for more how-to videos.